The Tesla Cybertruck, launched in 2023, is known for its unique design and capabilities, heavily reliant on its tires. As of December 2025, the Cybertruck comes with specific tire and wheel setups to handle its high towing capacity and off-road demands. This close-up shows the Cybertruck's angular design and tire configuration, highlighting its rugged build for off-road and towing tasks. The standard tire size is 285 50R20, measuring 285 millimeters wide with a 50% aspect ratio on a 20-inch rim. Each tire has an extra load rating of 116, supporting up to 2,756 pounds per tire for heavy payloads. Available wheels include 18-inch rugged options, 20-inch standard aero wheels for efficiency, and 22-inch premium wheels for handling. This view showcases the custom hexagonal rim pattern, emphasizing the vehicle's modern aesthetics and performance-focused design. The towing table illustrates how the tire load ratings enable up to 11,000 pounds towing capacity, crucial for the Cybertruck's capabilities. These tire and wheel configurations incorporate Tesla's 2025 updates for enhanced durability, efficiency, and performance based on real-world feedback. The standard tire setup for the Cybertruck features Michelin Pilot Sport All-Season 4 tires in size 285 50R20. In mid-2025, Tesla introduced minor updates to enhance durability and efficiency, including reinforced sidewalls for better puncture resistance and a slightly updated tread pattern for all-season performance with reduced road noise. The tire size 285 50R20 breaks down as follows. 285 is the tire width in millimeters, 50 is the aspect ratio, height as a percentage of width, R indicates radial construction, and 20 is the rim diameter in inches. All stock Cybertruck tires have an XL extra load rating with a load index of 116. This means each tire can support up to 2,756 pounds at maximum inflation. This high load rating is crucial for the Cybertruck's GVWR gross vehicle weight rating of around 7,000 to 8,000 pounds, depending on the motor configuration, single, dual, or tri-motor. You can find the XL rating marked directly on the tire sidewall, along with other specifications like the load index. These tires are designed to handle the heavy loads typical of a pickup truck, like the Cybertruck. The vehicle's identification label shows the GVWR and tire specifications, confirming the load requirements. This high load rating ensures the Cybertruck can safely carry heavy payloads without compromising tire integrity. Tesla offers 3 wheel sizes for the Cybertruck, each designed for different performance priorities. The standard 20-inch aero wheels are lightweight alloy designs that prioritize aerodynamic efficiency, helping to reduce drag and maximize the vehicle's electric range. The optional 18-inch wheels, introduced in 2025, feature a more rugged design with better off-road clearance and an all-terrain aesthetic. These wheels use 265 60R18 tires for improved traction on uneven surfaces. The premium 22-inch wheels, also introduced in 2025, offer enhanced handling and stability at high speeds, making them ideal for highway driving. They use 285 45R22 tires for optimal performance on paved roads. Cybertruck tires are specially designed to handle the unique demands of electric vehicles. They must manage high torque without slippage, preventing wheel spin during acceleration. The tires feature all-season compounds that perform well in various climates, from hot summers to cold winters, ensuring consistent grip year-round. Michelin's tires use silica-infused rubber, which provides better wet weather traction and reduces rolling resistance. This design helps the tires grip the road in rain and snow while improving energy efficiency. These features align perfectly with EV efficiency goals, helping maximize the Cybertruck's range by minimizing energy loss. Tesla's over-the-air updates integrate tire pressure monitoring with adaptive suspension adjustments for optimal performance. The EV tire market is rapidly evolving, with sustainability and smart technology at the forefront. Future Cybertruck models may incorporate green tires made from recycled materials, potentially reducing rolling resistance by 10 to 15% by 2030. This efficiency improvement could enhance vehicle range and environmental impact. Emerging trends include smart technology with sensors embedded in tires for real-time monitoring of pressure, temperature, and tread depth. This enables predictive maintenance, alerting drivers to issues before they become problems and extending tire life significantly. Looking ahead, expect airless tires that eliminate the need for air pressure and self-healing technologies that repair punctures automatically. These innovations will reduce maintenance costs and improve safety for electric vehicles like the Cybertruck.